And what's going on YouTube? Today we're looking at the Terra X1 electric mountain fat tire bike by SPACEVELO. This is the Curiosity Explorer series and it has a 26-inch fat tire bike with 750 watts of power and 20 amp hour battery. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So this is what you get out of the box if you get one of these. It's a pretty big box, pretty standard box for packaging here. Inside, when you open the box, I recommend cutting one side and opening it like this. Then that way you can see everything, all the pieces that needs to be put together. Now it comes with the tools and everything that you need, from screws and wrench as well. It comes with the charger as well, as you could see there. First thing that we need to install is the handle. You just need to take off the 4 screws and put the handle on there and put it back with the Allen keys. Now the next thing we need to install is the mud flap, the light, and the tires. So basically there's one screw that puts it together, the mud flap and the lights, as you could see here. And then the mud flap is put together as well on the other side by the tires. And then the tires just kind of slides in with the existing nuts and bolts on the side. Just making sure that the tire is connected with the brakes as well, so that the brakes would work. We are pretty much done. The last thing is the pedals, as you can see here. Tighten it with the wrench and we're all good to go. This is probably the easiest e-bike that you can assemble, really. It only took me maybe about 10 minutes. So basically, this is a 750 watt motor e-bike and it's called the Terra X1. This is a new edition of the Curiosity Explorer series by SPACEVELO, and it is designed for conquering rough terrains. It is equipped with 20-inch mountain fat tires and it has a 20 amp hour battery for durability, stability, and precision during rides. It also has 4-piston brakes, broad travel range, and a powerful dynamics which seamlessly integrates 2 to 3 gear functionality for a versatile and comfortable riding experience, suitable for commuting or tackling rugged mountain trails. Now, as a brand, SPACEVELO encourages exploration and adventure in electric assist bicycles. The name is derived from space, signifying the adventurous spirit of the vast universe, and velo is a French origin for bikes or two-wheelers. SPACEVELO aims to blend the infinite desire for exploration and the liberating spirit of cycling, turning every journey into a unique adventure. The brand slogan is "Curiosity starts here. SPACEVELO takes you everywhere." As you can see, it also has a screen here which you can control the speed and how much torque you want your bike can do. It also displays the how fast you are. On the right, it displays the how much battery you have. This is an e-bike, so you can pedal, but you can also take off by using the hand trigger here. It also equipped with the Shimano clutch, which in my opinion is one of the best clutch that you can get for e-bikes. You can lock or unlock the suspension as well. If you unlock it, it'll be a little bit softer ride. And if it's locked, then you can ride a little bit rougher. This is great for riding at night as well. There's a light in the front and also brake lights on the back. You can detach the battery as well, but it is locked right now, so it's really good to keep it safe. It also comes with a stand so that you can prop up your bike. It comes with a 750 watt motor, which is super powerful. The handles are super nice as well. When I was riding, it's firm but soft as well. It comes with these screws on the front, so you can install a rack on the front and you can put stuff in the back, as you could see there. Pretty cool. Now I like SPACEVELO because it has a high quality craftsmanship and performance. It has a beautiful design as well. It has a 20 amp hour LG battery cells. I love how stable the ride experience is. I just love the overall enjoyment of this ride as well. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new e-bike. This is the SPACEVELO Terra X1 electric mountain fat tire e-bike. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Everything will be linked down below with a promotion code, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.